Well, hey everybody, I am fixing stuff today. This interior sliding door latch broke. As you can see, it just does like this. It started to be hard to open the door and then this broke. So I have a brand new one that I picked up at the post office today and we're gonna swap it out. So this is how to change the interior door latch of your Sprinter. And there's 2 screws. I think it's gonna be pretty easy to switch this out. It should not take very long at all. It took maybe a week to get the part, but it shouldn't take more than maybe a few minutes to swap it out, and then my door will work again. I've been going in and out of the passenger door. The outside works, just the inside broke. So I would climb out the passenger side and then open the door. Here we go. Wow, you want to see in there? So there is the inside. And there's a little latch right there that holds, that has a grabber. Do you see this grabber on there? That's what grabs in there. And that is, yep, that's what broke on this one. So let's put you back over here and we'll get this new one in. Like that. Okay, it's in. And then we'll get that screw in there. And the back one might be a little tricky behind this latch, but it can be done with the screwdriver, I'm sure. So there's a screw to be hidden back there. Take some precise aiming to get it in there. I don't want to drop it. There it is. It's going. So once this is in there, I should be able to close the door and open it from the inside again, which would be awesome. So there it is. That's tight. That's tight. Let's try it. Are you ready? Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay. Here we go. There it is. We fixed it. Yay. So that was project day. We fixed it. So that was fun to take you along on my little fixing. And that's so nice to have that working again. And now you can see what I look at when I get out of my sliding door. Now that I can get back out of it. Yay!